So this is the peephole, guys. So I'm going to put this there outside, facing outside, and this one here inside. So I need to create a hole same with the size. So I'm going to Hi guys, Michi Gabs here. Kung bago ka sa channel na to, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa lahat po ng vlogs ko. Hi guys, good morning. So this time guys, I'm going to install this peephole. Here in our door, I'll show you. So this is the peephole, guys. So I'm going to put this there outside, facing outside, and this one here inside. So I need to create a hole same with the size. So I'm going to create a hole here. As usual, I'm going to use this. Let's check, guys.
Meanwhile,
so guys, again I'm going to use this. Size is small, so I change this with this one. This is for wood. Guys, ito hindi pa siya sakto, kita niya. So kailangan ko pang medyo kailangan mapasok to, kailangan ko siyang medyo lakihan pa ng konti. This time I need to use the bigger one, number 12. So ito yung unang ginamit ko, number 10. So ngayon ito po number 12. So ngayon, pakita ko sa inyo guys. So, kuha na siya ng butas. Medyo malaki na siya. Yung konti. Ito na yung butas niya, oh. Sasya na yung daliri ko. Pero kailangan magkasya dito yung peephole. Ito. Which is, hindi pa rin kasya. Kailangan ko pa rin magbutas pa ng kakasya dito. So, konti na lang. Parang ganun ang mangyayari kasi ganito. Tapos yung may mirror na nandun sa labas.
a few minutes later.
ko na yung butas na ipasok ko na to. So, yung kaanin ko naman ngayon yung sa loob. Sa likod. Kailangan ko kumuha din ng butas. Mapapasok yung ano dito sa likod. Kailangan palitan na ng butin ulit.
A few moments later.
So, yun na nga guys. Tapos na guys. Tapos na install ko na po siya. So, ito siya sa labas. Ito yung labas. Ito ilalagay mo. Ito siya sa labas. Tapos, ito sa loob. So, bale, makikita mo na. Yan, makikita mo kung sino yung nasa labas. Bale, sisilipin mo. Makikita mo sa labas. So, yan guys. Success. Ito yung tools na ginamit ko. Ito siya. Boss drill. Tapos ito yung pinanguna ko na muna. Ito yung pang wood guys. Itong size na to. After, para magmutas, lumaki ng butas ang konti, gamit ko yung number 10. Yung pang finishing ko is number 12. So yun guys, ito yung tools na ginagamit ko. Para makapag-install lahat ng mga ganyan. So guys, I hope you learned from my tutorial. I know I'm not an expert on this. I'm just showing you guys that we can do it. Girls can do it also. And at the same time, here in abroad, especially here in abroad, these little things, it cost you like almost 10 dinars already. So 10 dinars is in Philippine peso, it's around like 1,000, more than 1,000 peso. So if you have the equipment, if you can borrow the equipment, you just need to learn, watch tutorials from YouTube how to use it. So, and you can do it by yourself also guys. So I hope this vlog helps you, especially to those OFW like me who's working abroad and they need to do this kind of things by themselves. So I hope I can help you guys on these little things that I did. So thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.